Hello guys, thank you for coming back, and this is the last video on the OneNote Bible app, and here I'm going to show you guys the final result. The previous videos I showed you guys how to download it and how to install it, and the requirement that you will need your 2016 and 2013 or 2010 OneNote version to be able to install this onto your OneNote. So today I'm going to show you guys the final result. Okay, so when you finish all the steps that I created for you guys, at the end the Bible app will be installed in a new notebook. Okay, so when you go to your notebook, you will go down to any of your notes and you will see that it's there. So right there you have the Bible, you have the Bible study, and you have the comments to the Bible. I already have this supplemental Bible and the dictionaries. You can do that like I showed you in the first, like I mentioned actually in the first video. You don't have to do that. If you want to do the supplemented Bible, that's fine. If you click on it, it's just going to take you to Old Testament. And when you click on that, it will just give you like all these highlights and stuff. I think these are just for people who want to go deeper into the Bible and stuff, and you can know what all these things means and stuff. Let me see if I click on one, what it's gonna show me. Do you mean to switch up? No. Okay. I don't know why it's showing me that, but well, you see, you might not even need it, but it might have its own features someday. I might look into it for more details. But the dictionary you can download if you want. Maybe this is where it tells you, you know, meaning of different things. Well, that's not why we're here. So this is the Bible that I just showed you guys how to install. So the Old Testament is right there. The New Testament is right here. You can see the book of Matthew. It's still sinking, if you guys can tell. So it's a big book, so it's still sinking. So this is the finished product, all right, of everything we did. So please, if you have not watched the part 1, the part 2, and the part 3 before you get to the part 4, these are short videos, okay, so it shouldn't take you that long to watch them. So please go back and watch those videos, and you will be able to install the OneNote Bible app onto your OneNote. It is not hard, it is very easy. You can, you know, use this for your Bible studies. You can use this if you have your iPad or your Android tablet. You can actually use this for church services, for your small group Bible studies, or your home fellowship, or whatever you guys do, like your family devotion time. You can use this app for that, and you can do your own comment right here. So you can create a section for your comment right here. You can just create a section for your own comment. You know, you can call it, let's say, family devotion. I call it family devotion, and right here you can just put, you know, whatever I want to put there. Say studying the book of Hebrews, and you can just start typing away, right? You know, you can do that with Bible studies too, like what Bible study you have in your church or in your home. Here you can put men's Bible study, and here you can just put what book you guys are looking at or what Bible studies you guys are doing. You can say, you know, the book of Genesis. and you can just begin your Bible studies there. You know, whatever important notes that you guys do there, you can, you know, jot it down. If you guys are looking into a specific character in the Bible, you can create a page for that character, and you can name that, maybe looking at Abraham, and you can make this a sub page. So in the book of Genesis, you're looking at Abraham, right? And if you're looking at Isaac, you do the same thing. Type in Isaac, and it's under Genesis, right? So just like that, if you guys get into Exodus, for example, you can make Exodus its own and just make it to promote that sub page. So right here, you're going to say promote sub page, and now it's going to be on its own. And then under that, if you guys are looking, you know, the story of Moses, then you put Moses there and you make it a sub page right there, so it's under Moses. And if you're looking at, you know, how they crossed the Red Sea and stuff like that, the Pharaoh armies and other stuff, you can just put, you know, you can put it there, you know, freedom from Egypt. Oh, can type. There we go. Freedom from Egypt, and you put it over there. So you can collapse them. So this is the way you can use this Bible notebook to study the Bible and study with your family, study with your friends and your church families also. So there's a lot of usefulness to this. Okay guys, so this is the Bible OneNote. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys will find more ways to use this app on your OneNote. You guys can link you can link a page from your regular notebook or planner into your Bible. Let me show you guys that. So if you go to your regular planner, say which one? Let's go to my planner. This is the one I use. So right here, see calendar. So April. If we go to the 20th, nope. Let's see the 9th. Let's see the 19th. Or maybe not. I just want to show you guys what you can do with that. So the 18th, for example. So right here it says top 3 Bible studies, right? So what I can do, I can link this to the Bible here. So by just right clicking this, I can go to copy link to notebook, okay? And I click on that. Mind you, it's in Matthew, right? Chapter 1. So I go back to my planner, okay? And I'm just going to just put a 2 dots there. I'm going to highlight those and just right click and go to link and Control V if you're using Windows, and Command V if you're using Mac, and just paste it there. Click on insert. You can change the color if you want. I'm going to leave it as this for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm going to grab this. I'm holding Alt key down and I'm dragging this, and I can put it here, or I can just put it by the Bible area and let it go. So now when I'm on my daily planner and I have Bible studies, and I can just should click that because that was done. So I can just go here and I click on my Bible studies, and this should take me to my Bible app right here. Okay, so it takes me to my Bible app. So now I can scroll down and see where I want to study. I can click on Matthew, or I can click on the book of John, First Corinthians, and I can go there and I can read, can do my studies there. So that's how easy you guys can install or download, install, and also use your planner to click and go to your Bible studies or your Bible app. Thank you guys again for watching, and if you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing, because more of this kind of tutorials will be coming your way. Thank you so much again, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.